What's up, everybody? My name is Kellen Flynn, and I'm here to tell you guys how to work through CapCut and just kind of what are the basics, how to make a good video, and just how to take multiple clips or clip things down and transitions and just make a very borderline basic video. So without further ado, let's go right into it. Alright, so once we are in CapCut, you would want to create a new project. Okay, and the first thing you always want to do is import the video, obviously. Videos, go to your videos folder. 3 hours and 11 minutes. You will then drag that right there. And because for me it's a very long video, I'm going to have to zoom in a lot through this part right here and find roughly where I want to start the video. And a lot of the times, if you want really good audio, you'd want to click on the video itself, the video file itself, go over here to audio and increase it by at least 12. Yes, this keyboard still works. No, I don't have to like reach over my mic or anything. Now I can just do whatever I want. Yeah, so that also helps a lot with the audio. So I'm gonna try to find a good spot for me to clip it, and I'll show you guys how to do that once I find it. Okay, now I found the rough spot of where I want to clip it. So I clicked on it, so now you see this little cursor right here, so you can see exactly where you want it to be. And then I'm gonna go over here and find this split. So there's this delete left split, and there's delete right split. You don't want to do that, right? That's horrible. That's your entire video. You don't want to do that, right? There's an undo. They kind of undo for your mistakes, unlike the ones you make in real life. Anyway, so what you can do is, I always kind of just split, then click delete on my keyboard, and then there we go. But what you could do instead, and what's probably more efficient, is you click the split delete left. So now, and then again, found a spot where I need to do something, so there we go. Now the very beginning of my video should be,
hi,
hello.
Okay, so today we're gonna be playing a game called FNAF Co-op.
Yeah, so that's the start of my video. And now what we can do, because again, this is a 3.5 hour long stream that Kevin and I did. So now I have to find a good stopping point, because I'm not going to release a 3.5 long video on YouTube. It's going to get no views. Okay, now I found a decent spot for me to stop. It's like 21.5 minutes in, so I can edit down in between. But this is kind of roughly where I want to stop the video. So now I can use this thing up here and delete right, or I can right click and cut. Either works. Click here, then you delete. Now let's see how we can trim this down. What's helped me in the past is cut this part.
First day on the job, and we
Cut this. Cut this in between stuff. Right there. Let's go to right there. And cut kind of, yeah, see that? That's already almost 2 minutes completely cut out. Toggle up here, you can go to audio and have your own sound effects. Right now we're just doing transitions, so we can do a little black fade. You can also search for it up here, but since I've already been using it, it's already right there. So,
wanna play with people this time?
Yeah, let's try playing with people. Let's try. So,
sucks.
wait, we did it. And now see, I kind of cut it a little too quick, so I'm gonna do that so we can kind of hear what Kevin's trying to say. No.
This game sucks.
Wait, we did it. They put it in the game. They put it in the game. Oh yeah, awesome. Yeah, so that'll be it for me to everybody, and I hope you guys learned something new and something useful for your guys' editing skills. This is it for me. So have an amazing rest of your day, everybody, and see ya.